Introducing our FlexMax CNC Panel Series bending machine. This machine is capable of forming parts in a single process. It includes software to make 2D designs and upload 3D files. The Panel Series comes in 3 work area presentations: 4 foot, 6 foot, and 8 foot. It is 100% controlled by servo motors for maximum precision. This bending machine has fast movements thanks to its ball and screw transmission. It can manufacture stainless steel, carbon steel, and aluminum panels. FlexMax CNC machines offer precision, high speed, and an affordable price.